Hey there, guys. So sorry for the weird angle. You're sitting on some crystals in my studio right now, but it's my birthday and you know it's perfect. I got my essential rewards in the mail today. So I wanted to do a video of unboxing it so I could share with you guys. I am super excited. I feel like this one took a couple days longer to come than usual because it's the Thieves Essential Rewards. All the Thieves Cleaner stuff in it. So I know they've been selling like hotcakes for good reason, right? So I was anticipating maybe even a longer wait, but it's here. Okay, so I have so many things on this list that I got. And okie dokie. Oh my goodness, all of the goodies. Okay. My little tube. Thieves Essential Oil. Must have right now. You can, Thieves is also a regular oil and a vitality oil, which means that it is FDA approved to be labeled for internal use. So you can do a drop of that in tea. I actually have some tea right here with a little Thieves in it and some orange peel, which is delicious. Then our other kind of small goodies in here. Small but oh so important. 2 Thieves hand sanitizers. Y'all, these are selling so fast that they couldn't get the little like normal squirt caps. So they warned everyone, please save your old squirt cap and just use it on here. And they sent it with, it's kind of like a toothpaste cap, I guess, so that they could continue to get it out to people, which is just what I love about a company that can do what it needs to do to continue to take care of its customers. As an entrepreneur, I appreciate that so much. I got my 2 Thieves sprays. These are amazing for grocery store carts, door handles, even hands, like if you don't have the hand sanitizer on you. And both of these have the recommended percentage of denatured alcohol. I'm assuming the Thieves spray is also the same, but I know that the Thieves hand purifier, hand sanitizer, is denatured alcohol from peppermint oil. So there's like none of that weird stuff in there that if you read the label of most hand sanitizers is on there. It's like scary, super scary. So this is all plant-based, no weird stuff. Okay, I got my Thieves Aroma Bright toothpaste. Y'all have probably seen my toothpaste video, which is about using fluoride-free toothpaste, making that decision for yourself. This is the one that I use because of my thyroid. I avoid fluoride. Love it. My mouthwash. Okay, if you saw the coconut oil pulling video, you saw that that is how I use this mouthwash. I do my oil pulling with like a third of a capful of this. So this lasts a long time, but it's also adding the essential oil and the colloidal silver benefits while I'm doing the oil pulling. So I ran out of this actually, so I'm super excited to get to use this again. Then I have 2 of the Thieves foaming hand soap pumps. This is key. I get a headache if I use a soap that just came from the store that has these fragrance oils in it. I know that you are going to think I'm exaggerating, but if I put 1 pump in my hand and wash my hands, I can smell it on my hands and I immediately start to get a headache. So then I have to go wash my hands again with something natural in order to stop the headache from coming on full. So having this Thieves 100% all natural, plant-based, no weird gunk is so amazing. We keep one of these in the trailer so that when we are anywhere and we need to wash our hands, we just wash our hands in the trailer instead of washing our hands, you know, in all these bathrooms that we go to. I mean, I'll be honest, I wash my hands in the bathroom because that's gross not to. Then I come out and I usually rewash my hands with this because that soap gives me a headache. I should just be smart and use the Thieves spray. Note to self. But anyway, then we have 2 of the household cleaners. This stuff is amazing. If you have seen, actually I'll probably post it for you guys again. It's like 35 of these. Yeah, okay. 1 part of cleaner to 30 parts water, and then it tells you how to do heavy degreasing, light degreasing, and glass. I think it's like 35, something crazy, the number of spray bottles that you can get out of this, making this the cheapest household all natural cleaner. It's like $1 something crazy, but I'll try and put somewhere here or after this, if I do this on Instagram, put the information on the cleaner. So if you want to just make regular cleaner, it's super easy, like all-purpose cleaner. If you want to use for glass or your stovetop or things like that, it's just different ratios. Or if you want to make a scrub for your sink or a scrub for your shower or your bathtub. Obviously, I don't have either of those while we're traveling, so I haven't made it in a while, but I do have those recipes. And if you message me, I can get that to you so that you know how to do it yourself. But so this is like the only thing you ever need to buy ever for all of those cleaning services in your house, which is like, duh, super easy. Okay. And then the 2 little squirt things for my soaps. When you run out of the soap, you can use Castile soap and the Thieves essential oil and some of the cleaner to kind of remake this again. So I do that a lot until I'm like making another order where I want to buy a whole bunch of this stuff. I think I also have a video on that, but if not, message me and I can tell you how to make that, the handmade all natural soap. That's it. That is a treat for my birthday. Thanks for joining me. Let me know any questions you have. If you want me to explain any of the applications of how to use these things. Guys, they're amazing. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.